Well, hello everyone. Today I am teaching you Christmas French tips nail art step by step guide. It's never too early to decide on your manicure for the big day. And by big day, we mean Christmas. Obviously, the festive season has crept upon us. Seriously, how it here already and now is the time to get prepared and choose what our nails are going to look like. Number one design of our list is gels by Berry. This golden French tip from gels by Berry are painted perfections, never going back to white tips even again. Number two design is Bambin nails. Gold is the must for Christmas, and Bambin nail is showing us just how it's done. FYE, if you wanna recreate this at home, you use the Miley Cushions powder chrome pan in gold. Bam Binels less. Christmas is not the time to play it safe with a plain French tip. But if you can't resist, by try adding some gold detailing to make it super festive. Next, nails with Victoria. Hello candy can cuties. This red and white candy cane set from is one of our faves this Christmas. Next design is Cutie Cool HM. Inject some Christmas tree vibes into your manicure like Cutie calls HM we are obvious. Next design is Splash Nails Lindsay. Understand but still super festive. Thank you very much for watching this video.